Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. One step's just a little too close to my heart. Writing letters like this could be the end or the start. Once was is now gone, but if I try hard enough, my kids won't see their world fall apart. Oh, we can't see what tomorrow brings. We can't sleep as soldiers keep on singing this song. Fathers weep, it's hard to see where I belong. One sleep before I meet the golden falling hearts. Another day I will hear the hurting soldier's song. Some young enough, I think of my own and where they are. So I'll love everyone, because love might be all we have won. Oh, we can't see what tomorrow brings. We can't sleep as soldiers keep on singing this song. Fathers weep, it's hard to see where I belong. E kore rātou, e kore e ke tia, pene kia mātou kua mahue nei. E kore hoki rātou, e ngoe kore, aha kua pehea ngā huatanga o te wā i te ke ngā tū o te rātai noa ki te aranga mai i te ata. Ka maumahara tonu tātou, ka maumahara tonu tātou, ki a rātou mā. Can't see what tomorrow brings. Oh, we can't see what tomorrow brings. We can't sleep as soldiers keep on singing this song. Fathers weep, it's hard to see where I belong. We can't sleep as soldiers keep on singing this song. Fathers weep, it's hard to see where I belong.
Kia ora.
Hope you are all doing fine or have had a fine day, this ANZAC day. Didn't realise it was a public holiday. I feel like it's been on the weekends a lot. But it's a public holiday, so I hope you guys have enjoyed time with family. Time of memory.
Remembrance.
Yeah, remembrance.
Mm.
Remembrance.
Memories.
Remembrance.
Yeah,
Yeah.
here's to no more war, hopefully, ever. Like that,
Yeah.
like we've been through in New Zealand, with our soldiers and with Australia and so many places around the world, really. It's
Yeah.
a massive thing, it's a gross thing, war, and we hope that it doesn't have to be the way it's ever been before. Yeah, and we lift up those people, I guess, who are in current wars overseas. Yeah, just that peace would come.
Yeah. If you haven't seen or heard of, what do you call it? Not a display, not expedition, exhibition.
Exhibition.
Yeah. If you haven't seen the one in Te Papa, that the Weather
Oh,
Productions have
lovely.
done, yeah.
It's
You hear some of the stories. It's real out there. It's quite sad too. They didn't really make it off the beach.
Mm.
Yeah. So in memory of them,
Mm.
and hope that it doesn't happen like that again.
Mm.
What we always do though is tell the origin of the song.
Yeah.
And it came from, like, for me, I was just having a rough day, and so I started writing a song that started off as like feel sorry for myself kind of song. And then I read over the chorus lyrics, which didn't change much from what they are now, and it reminded me of, I think it was a week before ANZAC Day, it reminded me of that, or it kind of got me out of the gutter by realizing how deep some other people's gutters are. Yeah. So, e kore warewaretia. Yeah. We will never forget.
Yeah. And that's the ode in Māori, if you were wondering.
Oh yeah.
That section in Te Reo. Yeah, that's what it is, the ode.
Yeah.
Yeah, lest we forget the people.
Yeah. So, ngā mihi nui ki a rātou mā e moiana, those who passed away in the war and those who survived. This is a massive acknowledgement to you and your families. Nō reira tēnā koutou. Tēnā tātou katoa.